the biggest pot they found during the excavation. Look at this. Pero, that's really, matibay yan. Diba? Na-imagine mo yung buhay nila. Kaya ngayon, pag this battery system. Look at these little arrows, oh. Really cool. Oh, tingnan mo yung ano ng mais na yun. Ayan, oh. Hindi mais. Nakita pa nila yun, mga gano'n. Oh, tingnan mo. Ito ba? Yung ano nila, yung pang ano. Oh, ayan, oh. Like, tingnan mo yan. It's like 1,000 years. 1,000 years ago. Ito, tingnan mo ito. How they open this thing? This one. Look. Oh, diba? Napakahirap. No? Pero ayan o. Ito nila nalagay yung tubig. Yung mga araw nila, oh. Ayan. Ganyan. Tingnan mo yung sombrero niya. Ito, knife, oh. Knife.
Ito, pang ano to pang snow.
Oo. Sled. Parang wow. Look at this. This one, those spots. 8,000 years ago. Pottery. 100 and 800 years old. Wow. That's where this stuff. Oh, look at this. Kalalaw. What is this? Wooden mortar. Wow. Look at this one, Will. That's just the wooden mortar. That's when they do stuff. Yeah. This is when they found the stuff. Look, yung mga when did they found it? 1930, 1882, 90, they created some of their finest works. Wow.